If you're wondering whether you can get Xfinity Internet without running a coax cable into your home, you'll not alone. Let us talk about it. So in traditional Xfinity setup, Xfinity usually delivers internet through coaxial cable, connecting your home to their network. The cable goes into your modem or gateway, which then provides Wi-Fi to your devices. Can you skip the coax? Direct Xfinity Wi-Fi without coax isn't usually possible at home because their main network is cable-based. However, there are some exceptions. Some plans include mobile hotspot access. Public hotspots let you connect without home coax, and in select areas, Xfinity may provide alternative setups. In some regions, Xfinity may offer fiber or wireless options that don't require coax. Check Xfinity availability in your area to see if these plans exist. So while a coax cable is needed for traditional home Xfinity Wi-Fi, there are ways to connect without it if you use hotspots or certain fiber plans. If this was helpful and assistful, make sure to like and subscribe.